I'll come to, I can't see the member here. Azad Kirti Jha spoke about how various items on which he felt BJP claimed that by 2022 we'll give houses for everybody. We are definitely giving houses for everybody in every state as well. But my question is, sir, scams, all India level performance, I like to put before you. Sir, teachers recruitment scam is something on which honest job seekers and vulnerable students who were enrolled in schools, we need to have somebody look into that as well. If Azad Kirti Jha is talking about scams, he should look at this teachers recruitment scam as well. Similarly, 10,000 plus crores PDS scam, sir, which affects poorest of poor. On that, I wish Azad Kirti Jha looks at and talks about how scams are predominating in West Bengal. 100 crore midday meal fraud has happened in West Bengal. So Azad Jha, Kirti Azad should look at that. He should raise questions in Bengal about it. So, in CAG, the CAG report, March 2021, financial misappropriation and malpractices worth nearly 2 lakh crores by West Bengal government was detected by the CAG. And therefore,
आप अगर जो प्रश्न उठाओगे तो उसका जवाब तो माननीय मंत्री जी देंगे ना। तमिलनाडु वालों ने उसे तो तमिलनाडु का जवाब दे रहे, गुजरात वाले उठाते गुजरात का जवाब दे, जो उठाएंगे उन्हीं का जवाब देंगे ना मंत्री जी। तो मंत्री जी उन्हीं का जवाब दे रहे हैं जिनका उठाया है, जो राज्य ने उठाया उन्हीं का जवाब दे रही हो आप। तो दीजिए आप जवाब। अब तमिलनाडु वालों ने उठाया, तमिलनाडु वालों का जवाब देंगे। अब बंगाल वाला, बंगाल का सुनो।
About West Bengal, sir.
सुनो ना, बंगाल की भी सुनो।
About West Bengal, I've said about how
इन बंगाल वालों को
cut
सुनाओ।
money is being a problem. West Bengal Chief Minister herself, the Chief Minister of West Bengal herself, asked all the representatives of her party about the cut money that has been taken. Let the cut money be returned. Let the cut money be returned is what the Chief Minister herself said. Can we have the cut money returned? Sir, therefore, what I want to say here, sir, if the honorable member mocks for us for not delivering on a promise, I want to say what we have delivered, and this is our government's achievement. Jan Dhan accounts, sir. 54 crore Jan Dhan banks accounts have been opened. I want Kirti Azad to please recognize this and also recognize the CAG report which tells about scams in West Bengal. PM Awas Yojana, sir, 4 crore houses have been constructed for the poor. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, 12 crore. SBM, 12 crore.
बंगाल पूरा कर दो, जाने वाले हैं।
Sir, he has gone away. 12 crore household toilets built. सर, सच बोलने में कड़वा लगता है, मगर उसके लिए आत्मविश्वास चाहिए बैठकर सुनने का, उनके पास नहीं है। मैं एक्चुअली इनवाइट करती हूं डीएमके के मेंबर्स को भी, कांग्रेस को मेंबर्स को भी। एक आध विषय बाकी है मेरे पास, बोलना है उनके बारे में।
छोड़ दीजिए।
सौभाग्य योजना, 21 crore rural households have been electrified. Jal Jeevan Mission, over 12 crore households provided with tap water connection. PM Ujjwala Yojana, 10.3 crore LPG connections have been provided. Ayushman Bharat, 36 crores have got health insurance cover of 5 lakh. And Bengal, of course, has denied giving Ayushman Bharat to its own people. So, Trinamool नाम में, मगर जो छोटे लोग हैं, छोटे-छोटे ग्राउंड में लोग हैं, उनका कुछ फायदामंद काम नहीं करते हैं। So, पश्चिम बंगाल में आयुष्मान भारत स्कीम विड्रॉन, जल जीवन मिशन इतना स्लो प्रोग्रेस है सर। पीएम उज्ज्वला योजना applications are lying in wait, delayed formation of the district Ujjwala committees for LPG connection. High pendency, corruption and misgovernance in PM Awas Yojana. corruption and nepotism on West Bengal government's Bangla Awas Yojana. फिर refused to participate in the aspirational districts program, forced delays in critical infrastructure. Only 21% of the land required by the Indian Railways have been procured, बाकी procurement नहीं हुआ है. फिर metro projects are also being delayed. 4 of the 5 metro projects are still under construction. So state government में इतने सारे delays, omissions and commissions एक तरफा और दूसरी तरफा इतने सारे scams. So Kirti Azad should probably look into that rather than talk about I am the Vibhishana, I have been sent out of BJP. Actually, sir, I don't know in what context he said. श्री राम विभीषण को उनका भाई मानते थे और पूरे लंका में रावण को डिफीट करने के बाद विभीषण को ही राजा बनाया श्रीलंका को. He didn't say I will rule from Ayodhya. उनको राजा बना करके उधर रखे आए थे. सो इनके विभीषण का समझ पता नहीं क्या है, उनके स्टेटमेंट पता नहीं क्या है, कौन किसको बाहर हटाया. राम तो उनको भाई माने, इसीलिए थोड़ा रामायण ठीक से पढ़ना चाहिए.